Hello guys and welcome to volokinproject. If you're looking to buy a new phone and your budget is about $300, you don't have that many options, especially when it comes down to new phones. So, a new phone with a notch is the Pocophone. It costs only about 300 bucks, 300, 330, something like that, depending on the market. But if you're in the US, you should be a little bit more careful with that phone. And you should consider the essential phone over here. I've got both of those phones brand new, sealed. I'm gonna do a double unboxing today and I'm gonna give you a little bit more on my thoughts about both of those phones, but I'm gonna leave the rest for the full comparison. But now let's do the unboxing. Okay guys, so which phone shall I go in first with? Let's do the Pocophone. That's the hot phone of the moment. I'm gonna use my bare hands to open up that box. Let's see if I'm strong enough. Let's see if I ate enough spinach as a child. Yes, I did, yeah, certainly did. Right, let's see, what do we have? Yellow box. That's like a belly of a frog or something like that. Let's see, Pocophone by Xiaomi. Now Indians are getting crazy about this phone because it's under let's see, 20,000 rupees, 21,000 rupees. I don't know what that equals to in US dollars, but apparently that's some sort of a a milestone where if the phone is cheaper then it's considered good or something like that, especially for a Snapdragon 845 phone. Let's see what do you have. Okay, clear case. I'm gonna apply it in a sec. And the Pocophone F1. What else do you have in the box? Cables, this and that, nothing special really. Okay, right, so that's the Pocophone. Let's remove that sticker so here, guys. Okay, sticker 1 out. Sticker 2 is gonna be out as well. Alright, sticker 3. Okay, any more stickers? Is that a sticker on the back cover? No. Weird. This plastic over here, the back is made of plastic, looks like there's a screen protector on it or something like that. It looks a little bit weird, yeah. But, okay, that's alright, Let's see at the front. Actually the in-hand field is good. Snapdragon 845, ladies and gentlemen, 4000 milliamp hours of battery, and I'm still not convinced. Let me just try. No, it doesn't peel off. Okay. That's a weird take. I mean, it's kind of like you're using cheap plastic, but in the same time, you're doing something to it, so it looks nice. If you slap the case like that, let's see what we're gonna get. Okay, the case is nice and snug, and you're getting this kind of a more black look. To be honest with you, I kind of prefer that look instead of the plastic over there, but I like it. I definitely like it. The phone is very lightweight and it's good in the hand. So let me power this baby up. Well, it is what it is. I mean, 300 bucks, that's the only brand new Snapdragon 845 phone you can get for this amount of money, guys. I'm gonna leave it aside, I'm gonna let it boot, and I'm gonna come back to the essential now. If you are new to my channel, I've got quite a few coverage on the essential phone. I did camera comparisons, speed tests, this and that. But let me tell you, Snapdragon 835 should be more than good enough in 2018. If you're not sure about that, make sure you watch my speed test video, at least the one with the OnePlus 5T versus the OnePlus 6. Now that's the only color which is 300 bucks, the Hello Gray. I don't know if that's the pronunciation, but who cares. This is the only color which is 300 bucks, the rest are more expensive. But man, I kind of miss the essential phone, to be honest with you. It gives you different sensations. Especially when it comes down to the ceramic back that it has. Let's see what do we have. Okay, now as you can clearly see, the language over here and everything is on another level, simply because that was an ex-flagship phone from last year. The retail price was 700 bucks, and by the way, this dongle over here is still one of the best 3.5mm to USB Type-C dongles money can buy. Let's see what do we have over here, guys. Okay, I'm gonna peel this one up over here. Oh man, this is on another level, guys. This is so nice. And the sides over here, they're silver. Man, I love this combination. Check this out. Silver sides and this halo gray back over here. That's amazing. Let's see if I can scratch it with my nails. Of course, that's the first thing I'm gonna do. No, it doesn't scratch, they go away. Nice, 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 really nice. Essential. Well done, well done, well done. I really like that combination, guys. Nice, nice, nice. But let's see how these phones against each other. Let's see what do we have over here. All right. Of course, there's a difference in the displays. They're both LCD, but this one is 5.7. I believe this is 6 point something on the Pocophone. And yeah, quite a lot smaller, pretty much the same thickness. Over here we've got Snapdragon 835 with 3000 mAh of battery. Over here we've got 45 with 4000 mAh of battery. 8 megapixel camera here, 13 over here, and there's a difference in the back cameras as well. But to be honest with you, design wise, I kind of like both of the phones, but the Essential phone wins that battle, guys. It's just so much nicer. Check this bezel over here and the notch. Essential was one of the first to introduce those notches, but man, this is very premium build quality, unlike anything else on the market. And I kind of trashed the Essential phone on my review. I gave it a fair chance though, but this color combination, guys, that's a win. And the main reason you gotta go for this phone is Android Pie, of course. And the other thing is that if you got the Pocophone, this is not a CDMA phone. So Verizon, Sprint, forget about it. On the other networks, you're gonna be struggling with the 4G. But man, I gotta come back to the Pocophone. I like this plastic back cover. I mean, if if back cover is made of plastic, I would prefer to be that plastic. It's nice, guys, it's nice. But yeah, stay tuned for plenty of more videos to come, guys. I'm gonna do probably a speed test between both of those phones, unboxings, this and that. Oh, I already did the unboxing, yeah. Okay, so speed test, maybe a camera comparison, maybe a full comprehensive test, who knows. So far, thank you very much for subscribing, guys, and for being my viewer as well. And see you in the comment section below. Let me know what are your thoughts on these two phones. And yeah, see you in the next one. Adios.